in a f***ing rain on there. Oh, then they got the police. Fuck. He watching porn! YouTube! What up, gang? It's your boy Trez, back with another video. Back with another video. So, right now, currently at this moment, I am finna go to basically a video shoot, and it's currently about 1 o'clock right now. The video shoot is actually at 2:30, and basically I had to do like a couple things before. If y'all know 99 Nation, and you know AMG League and Avery B, so basically I'm finna pop out. I'm finna go link up with the boys. They got a little video. They got a video going on. They asked me to pop out, so we finna pop out to the video. Type shit. You know. Oh, the rich. I gotta show y'all the fit though. The fit really go like the fit really go like fit really go goddamn crazy. Like my fit go on some slight shit, but don't try to like for real. Like on some slight shit for real. So yeah, I gotta show y'all the fit, man. I really gotta show y'all the fit. And yeah, fat. So yeah, hold on, y'all. They talking about this noise. Okay, B. But yeah, so I just saw police. So gang, before I hit the road, I gotta go pick up my boy 5K. He's sliding with me. You know, and I gotta put y'all on my boy 5K. Like if you need anything like video wise, anything done. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let my boy talk to y'all. I'm gonna let my boy talk to y'all for that. I'm gonna let my boy talk. If you need anything done, you know, get up my boy for real. Like, y'all can see my boy like on more videos on this. Cause me and my boy finna get active. We finna get right. For real. On gang. So my boy is like 2 minutes away, 1 minute away. But like I said, like in the beginning of this vlog, gang, you go see. So y'all finna see like more of me. Like I'm finna be vlogging, more finna be getting right, gang. Cause I know y'all miss me, and I miss myself. I honestly miss y'all. I think I miss y'all more than y'all miss me. Shh, what y'all think? I think I miss y'all for real, though. I ain't gonna lie. So that's what I'm gonna do. What the fuck? I ain't never seen nobody add a fucking upstairs to there. I ain't never seen that shit before. That shit lit. To the top of the house. I ain't never seen that before. Oh my mama. Alright, cool. Gang, I'm not gonna lie. So I made it up here. Cool, I made it up here. Alright. But gang, look at this. But 96 degrees out this bitch, y'all. Boy, it's hotter than 2 fat holes in the Mini Cooper right now. Like, oh my goodness, man. This shit ridiculous. I cannot believe it. Like, boy. But anyway, so y'all, we made it here. I got my boy AB inside the whip right now. It's hot as hell. He ain't getting that. Got that cameraman over there. It's just hot as hell, gang. I'm real. It's just too hot. It's too hot. Like simply just too hot. Like for real. I'll have to goddamn feel me. I gotta put your I already picked up on that bit. Hold on.
Is that the first time doing one of these, or you did one of these before?
I did one. I ain't never did a car one before, but I did it. So gang, I got my boy here. Good, I ain't no goddamn. So I got my boy 5K here, man. If y'all need anything, like, Twin, get to the camera, we got it.
Oh yeah, pictures,
but if you
videos,
need anything,
recounts,
yeah,
tap in with me. 5K that thing.
Yeah, fact. Go on Instagram, I'm putting his thing right here. So make sure y'all go tap in with my boy for real. Goddamn. See, y'all finna see him a lot. Like y'all finna see my boy a lot on my channel now for real. Oh gang, but shit, goddamn, but hot as hell. It's hot as hell that bit, ain't it? Oh yeah, fat. I ain't got no damn brush. It been hot as fuck. Oh gang. But I told you, but I ain't like you though. I knew they weren't gonna start on time.
Man, I was surprised they said 2:30 on that.
Huh?
2 hours later, they still like that motherfucker.
Yup.
What up, P?
What's up? Yeah. How's the motherfucker, man?
Alright, we're good.
Hey, man. So these motherfuckers just slapped me rain. Show that shit. some motherfuckers just sliding around. I'm gonna put a clip up right there. Police, basically, I thought they had to go to jail, but usually they had to go to jail for that shit. But hell, I guess they did. What the hell everybody at though? Beating her right there. Damn.
Follow behind, AB.
Go ahead, bitch. Yeah, so it's like that shit rain on there. That shit dangerous. I'm gonna switch location because it obviously started raining where we was. So they out there, but they going right here though. Yeah, in fact, it started raining, which I knew it was gonna fucking rain. I said that shit. I do that shit. Come on, man. You don't drive that 8-wheeler now. You can turn that bitch. He got to for the room. Boy, I thought he finna go G. Boy party ass his fucking stomach right now, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Come on, would. I ain't gonna lie.
Between the Corvette.
I ain't gonna lie. I would've went home for. I ain't gonna lie. I would've said fuck that shit. Look, Brian ain't even. What no, he would've been in the video no more. He's so damn startled. Go ahead, B. Go ahead. Hey though, but make sure y'all comment below like what all y'all want to see on my channel, cause I told y'all like I'm coming back, like I'm coming back. Y'all can see hella content, like hella shit, like on dudes. Where the hell you going? Okay, I don't hop on the highway because it's raining. I can't goddamn get jiggy in the highway in the rain. So gang, update, so basically we not doing a video no more. Oh, I ain't know this should be purple. I fuck with that shit. I didn't realize this shit was purple. Anyway, so gang, we basically not doing a video shit no more. It started raining and shit till so Leak told me that he go reschedule the video, do a video another time. So I guess that's the end of the vlog, twin. That in this vlog, man. And in fact, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like this video, thumbs up for real, and comment some videos y'all want to see. I would give y'all like a little pull on with Daytona in the rain, but it's the rain, and I'm not like them niggas that was just sliding in the damn rain. I'm not, boy. That shit too dangerous. Yo, tired, boy, but they got some trust in that damn SRT for real. It's crazy. The police came right there, like that shit crazy. The police came right there, like it's like they be watching that shit. Just a normal fucking day in Atlanta. Motherfuckers just sliding that bit in the fucking rain. Watch that bitch try to do the same thing. I do it in the fucking rain on their ass. Oh, they look at the police. Fuck. Damn. Police have got their ass. Hold on. For real, Atlanta ain't playing. I'm trying Starbucks for the first time in my life. I ain't never had, fun fact, hold on. Fun fact about me, y'all. I ain't never had Starbucks. I ain't never had Arby's day in my life. So I'm not gonna try Arby's day. I'm probably try Arby's like another video. So y'all comment down below like what I should get for Arby's. I'm tell y'all like what made me decide I want to get Starbucks, okay? I got a free gift card, okay? Y'all know shit hit better when it's free. Like shit is better, 10 times better when it's free, okay? Subscribe to the channel. If you ain't subscribed to the gang, then get your life together, man. Get your life together. Go ahead, just click subscribe button. It's free. Click the subscribe button, man. And so before we actually leave to go Starbucks, gang, so I be seeing like people post on TikTok based like Starbucks drinks and shit like that, like trying stuff. So I'm finna get this drink off of TikTok. That's what I'm really finna do. Getting this drink off of TikTok, man. We finna try Starbucks for the first time, man. I be seeing like my sister. I be seeing like everybody go to Starbucks to get fancy drinks and shit. But I do know drinks. Let me see what I can get, man. Let me see what I can get, man. Shit. Cool. Starbucks refreshers. I need refreshers. Starbucks. Okay, what I'm supposed to get? Starbucks refreshers. Barista. What are they? Let me see. I'm gonna get the refresher. Let's see what look good to try. Let me see what look good.
My sister put me onto this drink. You need to try it now. Strawberry acai refresher. No water. Add peach juice. 2 cups raspberry syrup. My sister put me on.
Okay. I might try this right here. Strawberry acai. Alright, let's say this bit.
You need to try it.
Well, you ain't
my sister put me on.
Okay, let's try this bit.
Okay, so I tried a new Starbucks drink. Look at the color.
It's like the same thing.
And it's gonna be my favorite drink all summer. This is so pretty.
I ain't never like been the type to try Starbucks game. Like, hold on,
Tropical Sunrise refreshers.
Tropical Sunrise. It is morning time now.
And get this drink right now. Here's what to ask for: venti lemonade with.
See, y'all, let me call my twin real quick to ask her if this is good to get. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yo, what you doing?
Like,
Huh?
like.
Oh, you sleep? Oh, I'm sorry. You call me wake up then. I'll finna stop. I'll finna send you. I'll send you something on your phone. You call me wake up. Alright, twin. So y'all, yeah, y'all can tell twin had a goddamn morning voice like. But she said like her damn breath would smell like damn tin cans of bounce that ass like. So we finna just go try this Starbucks lemonade. Hold on, what's it called again? Starbucks Tropical Sunrise Refreshers. I ain't gonna lie. So I seen on Facebook where somebody said it was zesty for a nigga to go and get something from Starbucks. Like, so is that zesty or not? Like, but y'all let me know. Cause yeah, facts. I ain't gonna lie to you. I know a stolen car when I see one. And this bit here is stolen. I know a stolen car when I see one in Atlanta. Alright gang, so we just pulling up to Starbucks right now. Finna get my refresher! You know I ain't never had this bit before, this bit Sunday. I ain't gonna lie to you, that lemonade refresher sound good as fuck. So I gotta try it. It ain't my first time too. Fuck that damn car here going. Anyway, so but yeah, like I said though, y'all comment some drinks, like some drinks y'all drink from Starbucks or some shit, man. It's like it hot. A venti lemonade refresher with 3 pumps of raspberry syrup. 3 pump.
So which refresher? Because we have the strawberry acai, the mango dragon fruit, the pineapple passion fruit.
Hold on. The tropical sunrise refresher.
Okay. So I do apologize, but we're also out of the raspberry syrup. It's been discontinued in this area. And we don't have anything called a tropical sunrise.
All right, then y'all have a hold on, give me 1 second.
Sorry, what did you say, hon?
Do y'all have a strawberry acai refresher?
We have the strawberry acai, yes.
Okay, may I get that?
What size?
A venti.
You said a venti?
And I want to add. Can I add? So I want no water on it, and I want to add peach juice.
You said peach juice? What?
And 7 pumps of classic. That's it.
So is it for today?
And that'll be all.
Okay, it's gonna be some 80 grams order for you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah. So y'all, they don't have no more strawberry. They don't have no more what's called I guess guess they don't have no more raspberry syrup, I'm guessing. Alright, are you too? This don't look like the fucking TikTok I seen. Do this look like this, y'all? Ain't no strawberries. Man. This don't look like this. This don't look nothing like this. This is like a regular pink lemonade. Man. Let me see, bro. Let me try this shit, man. Let me pull over, man. Now I'm already getting second damn thoughts at this shit, man. I wanted something. I wanted my drink to look fancy, man. I want my drink to look fancy, like how y'all drink looking on TikTok and stuff like that, man. Let me pull up and try to drink. I need to pull up in the shade, cause I might. It's so damn hot. I need to drink this shit in the damn. I'm not sure I can drink it right here, really. So yeah, let's try this drink, man. I'm mad as hell right now. This don't look nothing like this drink, man. Like this ain't no strawberries. Ain't even no color. I think I hold that over here then. It probably look like it if I hold like this. Still don't look like it. See, I gotta try this thing, man. I don't even know, man. Oh, it smells good. Let's try it. Hold on. It be good as fuck. So, I'm rich. I don't know what the hell I ordered. Hold on. Let me see if it tell me on the receipt. Alright, so I got a venti strawberry acai lemonade, 7 pumps of classic syrup, and add peach juice. And twin, when I tell you right now, I think it's about the best drink. I don't think need some liquor. Let me stop saying that shit. I don't even drink alcohol like that. But hey, I ain't gonna lie. So right now I'm finna head to the mall right now because basically I seen somebody had a chain, a Cuban link actually to be exact, and I want me a Cuban link now. So I'm finna go buy me a Cuban link. I'm gonna buy me a Cuban link, but let me call my sister real quick because let me tell her I tried Starbucks for the first time in history. Yeah,
What you doing?
Damn, this fucking road, fool. I'm finna buy me a
Bro, you on Gore Highway?
No, I'm not even fucking going. I'm about to fucking mall. But listen though, I cut to the chase though. I tried Starbucks for the first time.
What you got? What you got?
I got it because it was free.
You probably download the Starbucks app for a free drink.
Facts. No. I had a gift card. But okay, let me tell you what I got. I got a venti strawberry acai with lemonade, with 7 pumps of classic syrup, and add peach.
Yeah, lemonade. I know it. This shit good as fuck, ain't it?
Hi, so on it, yeah. Thanks.
I fuck on. I don't smell no sweet shit. Wow, with my gang and them.
But yeah, so.
These bitches be learning to go out and talk about these niggas.
Oh, car, please don't hit my car, please, man. I just ain't got time to BS.
I hear, but so well.
Yeah, they some fucking alcoholics, like, for real. Look at them.
I'm like as fuck, I'm lit, yeah. I know.
But I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna go outside the mall because Jerry had a chain on yesterday, Bree, and I actually fuck with that chain.
Oh, I seen that shit on his picture. That shit hard as hell. Never hear me complain about what I got.
Facts. Cause if I want it, I'ma go get it.
Yeah, Mama told me that too. I didn't even know.
Uh-oh, I got front row parking at the mall. Okay. Front row parking, no, I'm parking at. Look, it don't get a bed in this right here now. It don't get a bed in this right here now. I'm right here in front of this motherfucker. Alright, I'm finna walk. Ooh, shit, that's a ass dick bitch. And yeah, fast. We finna I'm finna go look at this chain. I ain't gonna lie. I might buy me a chain today, cause I seen a chain on somebody's neck, and I almost snatched that bitch. That bitch looked so good. So I'm finna go get this chain. Finna go look at it now. I'm finna go look at it and see if I really like it. See See me, I got a jeweler in here. My jeweler. I'm taking my venti drink with me, man. I'm taking my drink with me. And if some of y'all know, so I be in Atlanta a lot, but I'm actually down in my city right now. I'm actually in my hometown, AUG, Ugly. So he's gonna head out right now, and yeah, facts. Let's see what they talking about. I'm parked crooked as fuck too. I got front row parking. Y'all get the 20 cent right there.